Want to know how to crack the affiliate commission vault with ChatGPT Vision? Welcome to the game-changing world of AI Cloner X, your secret weapon for effortless affiliate marketing. Imagine the power to replicate profitable websites with a GPT-4V-powered website cloner. Envision AI-generated traffic pouring into your freshly cloned site, and stunning visuals recreated by DALL-E 3 AI. Picture effortless editing and deployment, and the cherry on top? One-click commission cloning. With AI Cloner X, browsing becomes earning instantly. So, how does AI Cloner X work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right in. The first step is all about selection. You can either browse through done-for-you collection of highly profitable websites that are already making around $500 a day, or input any website you want to replicate. Once you've made your choice, GPT-4 Vision AI and DALL-E 3 take over. They meticulously rebuild the entire page, replacing existing affiliate links, opt-in codes, or buy buttons with your own. The result? A cloned site that's ready to rake in profits. Moving on to step 2. Now this is where the magic really happens. AI Cloner X's intelligent one-click traffic system swings into action. With just 2 clicks, your cloned site is broadcasted across the most popular social media platforms. This gives your site maximum exposure, driving free and automated traffic your way. No need for any marketing or SEO skills, the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, on to the final step. You've selected your site, the traffic is flowing in, what's next? Well, it's time to sit back and watch as the AI works its magic. AI Cloner X doesn't just clone sites and drive traffic, it also generates leads and commissions for you. The system automatically optimizes your site to convert that traffic into leads, and those leads into commissions. The best part? You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, creating multiple streams of income. AI Cloner X also comes with other nifty features. The AI-powered image recreation feature, for instance, leverages DALL-E 3 AI to create stunning visuals for your cloned sites. And with GPT-4 at your disposal, editing and perfecting your cloned sites is a breeze. You can export your masterpiece to your own domain, or use DFY hosting for a quick launch. The simplicity of AI Cloner X is truly a game-changer. There's no need for any technical skills or previous experience. All you need is a desire to crack the affiliate commission vault, and AI Cloner X will do the rest. And just like that, you've cracked the affiliate commission vault. Ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? It's time to experience the revolutionary power of AI Cloner X. This isn't just a game-changer, it's a whole new game. With automated profits, one-click commission cloning, and free traffic driven by cutting-edge AI, it's like having a team of elite marketers at your fingertips. And the best part? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Don't wait. Check the link in the description and get AI Cloner X for automated profits today.